A bunch of YouTubers been playing this. I just thought the concept was funny as I needed to try it. You have to make a zoo and the zoo animals use your voice. And we all know that I have probably the most annoying voice. So I'm excited to make the worst zoo in the history of zoos. Wow, this is the zoo I get to take care of starting today. So this is me, but I have to make the animal sounds myself. That's a little weird, but it does sound kind of fun. All right. We're straight in. No menu, nothing, just we're in. So this is my zoo. Let's adopt. Okay, a new friend, Duck. So do I have to make this? Enter the oh, what do we name it, chat? What do we name it? Okay, chat. Best name straight in, bro. Okay, I'm already down for this. No Jerome. Let's go something interesting and unique. No Tims, no Jeromes. Let's go something. Let's develop a new character. Jacob. All right, and what voice does Jacob make? Wait, is my mic in this? Confirm. Jacob, chat, say hi to Jacob. Wait, so every time he yells it. Okay. What the sec? Why is it in my left ear? Wait, is it right here? Ah, look, chat. Look, it's in your left ear. Dude, it's like when a car drives past you. Dude, what do we do? Dude, Jacob's pissing me off. I actually can't stand that. Bro, Jacob's actually pissing me off, bro. What do we do, chat? Can someone... I know, I like being this chick. How do we buy another animal? Do we have to find one? Oh, here we go. Okay, bro, please get away from me. What's this one? New friend, Sheep. All right, chat, I think we need a name for Sheep. Don't be mean to him. Bro, he's annoying me. I like Arnold. Low-key, I kind of like Arnold, bro. Chat, okay. What voice would Arnold make? Meow. 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 I can't, dog. Meow. This is the dumbest simulator game I ever played. Oh, wait. Oh, we can get, what's the most, okay, we can already get this thing. Is that a penguin? We can make Jerome. Okay, we have to name this Jerome. What noise would Jerome make? Throw Jerome at your mic? Dude, that's base. Okay, perfect. Okay. All right, so we have we have Jerome, we have Arnold, and we have Jacob. Wait, come here, Jerome. Wait, can Jerome come over here? Do they make meow? Meow. Dude. Okay, wait, how big's our home? Like, is there anything else we can do? So we have an Iceland? Is this the whole game? Okay, chat, we need to make a whole RB, bro. What's my objective here? Animals from the camp. Meow. What's this? The animals in the camp sing one by one from left to right. So well organized. Oh, okay, we need to make money quick. Okay. Well, let's build out our army. Meow. Let's save up for this one. $11 a second. Actually, wait, can we get meow? Can we get more Jacobs? No. All right. Let's try this guy. We need money and quick, chat. If we don't get enough money, we can't do funnier things. Okay. Okay, chat, give me another name. Okay, let's go Pooper. No. Okay, chat, for this name, I don't want a human name. Okay? No normal human names. Let's scrap those. Just say something ridiculous. I kind of like Peanut. He kind of looks Peanut. All right, I like Peanut. Hello? Okay, are you all right, Matt? Okay, Chad, that's how you know you have a diagnosis of ADHD, dude. That was the first thing that came out of my brain. I'm sorry, bro. Okay, no, we need to make more money. Okay, lock in. Okay, let's go for this Apex Predator. Ooh, Apex Predator the Arctic. Okay, here we go. Polar bear. Okay, this one, let's what does this guy look like to me? Dennis? Should I do my, chat, I kind of want to do my Toon Turf voice for one character. I've got to record more Toon Turf lines. Oh, I'm Darius Dax Daggers. Okay, wait, let's go. Australia. Oh, yeah, ma. Oh, yeah, ma. Okay, all right, I like that. Okay, we need to build, we need money. We're wasting time thinking. This represents Australia. Oh, yeah, I like Australia a lot, dude.
Meow.
Oh, yeah,
Meow.
That's racist, bro. I'm Australian.
Oh, yeah. Meow.
Surround yourself.
Meow.
Oh, yeah,
Meow.
oh, yeah,
Meow.
This is so dumb, bro.
Oh,
yeah. We need to wait for 700. Let's get this. Wait, I got the funniest idea. Wait, I got the funniest idea for one. Oh my god. Wait, let's time it. Wait. Okay, wait, let me do that once. Wait, I missed it. I missed the drop. Yes, jeez, John. Yes. Wait, good. Dude, oh my god.
Meow.
Oh, yeah.
Meow.
Dude, honestly, do you know who makes a really good couple? Cheese John and Jerome. Okay, we need to get to 2,000, so we need, is there something for 1,000? All right, let's get this. Oh, it's Flamingo. Albert. We kind of have to call this Albert, right? I feel like we have to. Do flamingos scream? What is the flamingo scream? Is that a thing? Do the oof? How does the oof go? Like, I know how it goes, but I need to hear it one more time. Let's do a Roblox oof. We'll call it Albert. Albert with a Roblox oof. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Dude, it doesn't hit the same, man. That's such an L oof, bro. You know what? L oof.
Meow.
L oof, dude. Alright, chat. Okay, okay. Now that we have our whole community, let's get to $2,000. Let's just sit here and enjoy for a bit. Alright, hold on. Let's do a YouTube Shorts intro. We need more money. It's taking too long. Bomb. This can be our YouTube Shorts intro. We're gonna call this eagle Zach D Films. Poop ran down her leg. Poop ran down her leg. Dude, I can't do it like Zach D Films. Poop ran down her leg. Nah, hold on. This is my zoo. This is my zoo. Now, I need something for the intro. Okay, that will work. Like, I need... Okay, chat, who's your favorite? Put your favorite in chat right now. Purchase. We can make a song now. Wait, so we just got 2,000. We've unlocked Jungle Chorus Camp. So now they go from left to right. Place your animals. Should we make a song? Chat, what song should we make? What song should I do? Think of it. Wait, do you know what I realized? I have a voice changer we can use.
This. This.
Alright, dude. What do I like? Oh, wait, and Mouth needs a friend. Mouth needs a friend.
No. No.
Okay, all right. This is the cheapest thing, bro. This is the dumbest game I've ever played, bro. Lip, come over here.
No.
This.
Dude.
No.
Dude.
No.
Meow.
So let's try this new thing. So let's bring some fan favorites over.
Meow.
This.
No.
Meow.
Oh, yeah, man. So if I do this, I just want to see what happens.
This.
Do they go in this order? Oh, yeah, man. I just want to see it work. Is it working? Chat, how do we do it?
Meow.
No.
This.
Oh, yeah, man. Honestly, I don't know how... Chat, anyone have any... I am so happy right now. Anyone have any ideas how we can optimize this? What else can we get?
This.
For the animals in the camp all sing at once. They all sing at once. What's this one? The animals in the camp will sing random. I kind of want to get this one.
This.
There's also different areas. Animals play. Oh, wait. Do they sound different in different areas? This is my zoo. This is my zoo. Is there any other areas? This is my zoo. This is my zoo. Okay, we need to make more money. Okay, chat, we need to just money max right now. We're not making enough money, bro. Let's try this. Okay, mate. Wait, chat, what sound does a rhino make? Wait, does a rhino make a sound? Okay. And we have one animal that's law accurate. Chat, was that decent? Like, actually think about it. Was that actually kind of law accurate? Wait, where is he? He's over here. Oh, there's a whole area down here, chat. What? Bro, how big is this game?
This.
Meow.
Okay. Bro. Say, oh, brother, this guy stinks. Okay, chat. Am I missing? Okay, I actually can't stand that. Am I missing a key part of this game? I guess we should put them in their environments, right? So it's a little bit less. Like, let's space them out. Let's make it like an actual zoo. Eloof would live here. Australia should be over here. Okay, we're actually making a real zoo now. Zacti Films. I reckon Zacti Films here on the tree. Okay, hold on, chat. We're placing the animals where they should be.
Oh.
Thoughts on the zoo layout? This is my zoo. We're now making money from the zoo. We have Jerome. We have Australia. Oh, yeah. Dude, this could actually be like a TV show, bro. This could actually be a TV show. Okay, let's use this money to like Windy Hills 8K. And the animals here sound different in Windy Zoo. There's an echo cave too. Okay, we need to make money, chat. Leo, okay, Leo is a classic. Lil Poop. Creeper sound. Okay, what about Lil Poop with the creeper sound? Bro, just make it yourself? Brother, I cannot make that myself. Okay, chat, should I try and do it myself or do we use that? You can? That's actually not bad. Actually, that is Lil Poop. That's Lil Poop. Actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. That wasn't bad until the end. This is my zoo. Hey, chat, we're making so much cash now. Dude, Lil Poop's grinding money. That's actually not bad, bro. This is my zoo. I actually like lip a lot, dude. Oh, we need 8,000 for Windy Hill. Okay. This is my zoo. We might need one more animal, chat. We might need one more animal to make money faster. Oh no, we have a gorilla, bro. That'll work. I just need money, chat. Okay, that's the first thing went in my head. Call it dog and bark. Someone. So there you go. Yeah. Okay, I want to bring the whole army actually into Windy Zoo. So let's bring everyone close because we're bringing everyone over. They're all migrating to Windy Zoo. We're getting ready to migrate to Windy Zoo, dude. Windy Hill, sorry. Oh, yeah. This is my zoo. All right, let's go, chat. Here we go. Windy Hill unlocked.
Meow.
Bang! They're all ready to go. All right, guys. All right, my zoo. Let's bring Mouth over.
Woof. Woof. Woof.
Wait, what again? This is what Mouth sounds like normally? Hold on, just... Wait, that's a big difference.
Meow.
Okay, let's try Arnold in there, okay? So this is how Arnold sounds?
Meow.
We bring Arnold over to the wind.
Meow.
Oh, so it makes it like high pitch.
Meow. Meow.
Bro, why is this like
Meow.
a character that I could actually fall in love with?
Meow. Meow.
Okay, we gotta bring...
Meow.
It's an actual cat now.
Meow.
What's this gonna sound like in here? Wait, does it make... Ah, so it goes faster too. Dude, it sounds like a little Australian, like, cat, bro. Oh, yeah, man.
Meow.
It actually sounds like a good oof now. I don't know who else. All right, Zactive Films. Oh, dude, Roblox Ranter. We can make a Roblox Ranter. Oh my god, we can make a Roblox Ranter. Wait, hold on, dude. I'm not FNAF maxed. I need to listen to it a couple times. Hold on. Ho. I messed it up. I panicked. Ho. I panicked. panicked. I'm just gonna use it. We need the money, bro. We're stalling too much. Is that the deepest your voice goes? Dude, it's good. Look. Sounds like a dying child. All right, chat. I'm gonna do my. I just want to get the echo. Okay, let's just wait, chat. Do we just wait? You should have redone it. It's fine, man. Chat, we're all zoomed out, man. But yours. Okay, hold on. Okay. We just got the 10K. We're gonna go to Echo Cave. Bang, that cost me 10,000 shekels. And people want me to bring Jerome. Jerome, this is Jerome. It's me throwing Jerome at my mic. Let's see what it sounds like. So listen. Bring it to Echo Cave. Hello? It sounds the same.
This
Let it cook. Oh my god! It's amazing! It's amazing! It's amazing, bro! That's actually... Oh my god, wait, we need to bring more people here. We're gonna bring more people here. Oh my god. Wait, chat, who do we bring? Who do we bring? Who do we bring?
Meow.
I want to try... we bring Freddy. Freddy Fazbear. Dude, okay, dude. No. All right, Echo. I want to bring these two down. Bro, it feels like a demonic well down there, dude. It's actually a demonic zoo.
Oh, yeah, man.
Wait. Let's bring these guys. Let's bring these guys up here. I need to know what this sounds like. This is the dumbest game, bro.
Oh, yeah, man.
This is my friend, Pear. That's a great name, bro.
Meow.
I think
Meow.
the last one I want to see, I think my favorite is Arnold, chat. And I think that's the last one I want to hear down here, bro. I can't wait, bro. That's it, we're done, dude. Oh my god. No, that's cinema. That is cinema. What a game, bro. Yeah, chat. I think we call it the actually bring a little accurate. Meow. Bro, it sounds like a Valorant E-boy. Oh my god. When a Valorant E-boy goes on a date. Oh my god.
This is my...
Okay, wait. Someone had a good idea. Someone said bring Game of the Year. This is gonna sound actually horrifying. Okay, wait, last one. This is just gonna sound horrifying. Jesus Christ, man. Okay, no, dude. I'm having too much fun. Okay, wait, hold on. We need to check one more. People say put lip in. Wait, what does lip sound like again?
No. No.
Moo.
Dude, it's like normal. It's just like normal. Like it's just normal theme.
This is my zoo.
Nah.
No.
All right, we're done, chat. We're done, right? We're done. Who haven't we checked? This one's going to sound horrific, bro. This is gonna sound like an actual demon spawning. It's what? Okay, I think last one. Actually, I need one for the outro. I just realized. Hold on. Let's. Okay, how much money do we have? 12. We need one for the outro of the video. Outro. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please. Okay, perfect. This is for the outro. To the. Are you alright? Hold on. Please subscribe. Please. Okay, and then we bring it. Hold on. Please subscribe. Please. Okay, we're done.